Hey guys, welcome to my series answering random questions relating to Python programming. So this is an MCQ. We have in a Python program a control structure A directs the order of execution of the statement in the program. B detects what happens before the program starts and after it terminates. C defines program specific data structures, and finally manages the input and the output of control characters. I'm going to go through each of the wrong ones first and tell you why it's obvious in all these ones. First of all, do you know what a control structure is? It's kind of like the sequence of the program. Every single programming language. I think HTML isn't a language, but HTML is the only one I know that doesn't fall into this category of applying MCQ. Sorry, oh shit, of applying control structures, because you can put it anyhow as long as you just know how to style it, and using CSS and all, it's going to look exactly how you want it to. But there are certain times when, for example, if I'm declaring a function, I can't call the function before the function is created, and all those little rules, because Python isn't exactly very strict with their rules, but all those things together kind of forms the control structure. So it's not just used for managing the input and the output of the control structure of the control characters. It doesn't define program specific data structures, and it doesn't detect what happens before the program starts and after it terminates, because it's running through the program, so it's whilst it's ongoing. So it directs the order of execution of the statement in the program. Yes, so it's showing how the program should run, what you want to happen first and what you want to happen after that. You get, it's like a sequence which your program follows.